Hello everyone, welcome to the Finland Academy. So today it is in a end of day, but by the end of day it is in the end of week as well as the end of the month. So we just have an eye on that means how the performance was there into the different time frames. So on a monthly basis, index has gained near about 7%. This is how we can measure it from its opening to the closing difference comes at around a 7% in a absolute term. The 750 point movement that we have witnessed in this particular month on week basis, it is in a quite of the flattish note over there. There is a mild weakness that we have witnessed over there. Let's say on week basis there is in a decline by 1.38%. Yes, means as of now there was a strong declining momentum that has occurred and the prices are retracing that move right now. The thing is that it has reached to the important level, and the same level we have kept on harping into our previous videos as well. That means 11,400 level is a very important level for coming days. Means let's say why 11,400 level, because there are certain kind of the technical factors that we are able to see. Means let's say if I am using my trend line to connect my previous dots, so this is what the immediate dot that I had, and I am connecting this one immediate ones over there. So somewhere it is coinciding around this level. We have the another technical property over there in the form of Fibonacci retracement. So if the Fibonacci retracement I am taking from my top to bottom, so again I find that means 78.6% retracement levels comes around 11,372 level. So where the index has came very close nearby to that, and from that we have seen a mild kind of the reactions coming out from that. However, means after having the strong move, a declining momentum of a 1% doesn't signify a lot, but yes, it is in a time to be cautious now. So now at this confluence point where there is a slope of line which was acting as a support earlier based on a role reversal concept, this is a resistance point now. From a Fibonacci perspective, we are at a 78.6, very near to that. And secondly, around this price point where the two technical factors coincide, I am seeing a certain kind of the candle pattern. I'm seeing a certain kind of candle pattern, and if you recognize it, we can call it as a dark cloud cover pattern, where the first color is green, the second color is a red. The red is open on the high note and it is engulfed near about 50% of it. So from a candlesticks perspective, it has formed a dark cloud cover pattern. So yes, it is a cautious sign we can say, but looking at the present structure means unless and until the immediate supports levels are not taken out, so it doesn't confirms or it doesn't brings that much kind of the clarity. Means we have to hold on the positive stance as far as we are not seeing a certain kind of the deterioration of the important level on the lower side. So for that purpose, if I look at the daily chart where we can see the things into the more detail. So from past couple of the trading sessions, means let's say the near about the 2 weeks, the index is continuously taking a support around this level, which is 11,000 odd level, and on the higher side it continued to find a resistance around this level, 11,330 level kind of thing, which was the 2 times the prices has hit over there, and we have seen the kind of the reversal. There is on a daily time frame from a candlesticks perspective, it is in a bearish Hermy pattern happening at an important level, and there are follow-up actions. So yes, it indicates a certain kind of the negativity over there, but the very important thing is that there has to be the deterioration first. As of now, we haven't seen any kind of the deterioration. The prices are protecting its in support level, but let's say in a coming week, if we are able to see the deterioration below the 11,000 level kind of, so it is in a first mild a negative sign we can say. This is going to be the first mild negative sign over there. Afterwards we have the support band over here. So let's say the 11,000 level is taken out on the downside, so it creates a mild negative sign, and then afterwards immediately we have the support band in the range of 10,750 to 10,570. From a mid-term perspective, the 10,570 level is a very important level. because this is what a base point of this upside momentum. So as far as the from the midterm perspective, the 10,570 level is intact. We can consider the midterm picture is on the positive side. But yes, in a very short term approach, if the prices are moving below the 11,000 level, so it can have the mild kind of the profit booking. Whereas on the high side, the 11,400 is a stiff resistance over there. Any fresh positive view can be taken above the 11,400 level. So this is what the important level for the coming week. In a nutshell, 11,000 to 11,400 is an immediate range. Either side breach will indicate it will detect that kind of the trend. Looking at the certain kind of the patterns which is happening right now, or indications the chart which is giving on the over here, so below the 11,000 level it can have the mild trend of a profit booking, but on the downside the 11,750 to 11,570 becomes a very important level. Going forward from the midterm perspective, 11,570 is a very important level to hold the bull's grip, and on the high side around 11,400 level we need to be cautious up to that point. Fresh round of the momentum can be expected once the prices are able to sustain above the 11,400 level. This is what the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.